guys. Galias na po ako. Ay, si mama.
Be the same. Felt like I knew that I always loved you from the moment I heard your name. Everything was there can only be you for me. I need you more and more. You turn me inside out and you showed me what life was about. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. And I wanna do all I can just to show you, make you understand. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. Perfect, I knew this love was worth it. Our own miracle if we make it. Until this world stops turning, I'll still be here waiting and waiting to make that vow that I'll be by your side till the day I die. I'll be waiting till I hear you say I do. Something old, something new, something borrowed, something new. I'll be. You got that big, big bubble butt, better keep my mouth shut. See you cry again. Throw pennies in a fountain. Look at what comes out. Sometimes wishes do come true. Now puso ko sa'yo talaga, kaya humawak sa aking kamay. Handang ibigay lahat ng naisip mo para sa ating paglalakbay. Ang iyong kamay sa aking ibigay, hindi ka bibitawan saan man mapunta ang biyahe nating dalawa. I'll be by your side till the day I die. I'll be waiting till I hear. I wouldn't have made it if I didn't have you holding my hand. I don't mind spending every day out on your corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while. And she will be loved. And she will be loved. Say I do. Something old, something new, something borrowed, something new. I'll be waiting till I hear you say I do. Always better than most, protect you from the hurt. I'll be waiting till I hear you say I do. I do love you, yes I do love you.
Now that you're close, I feel like coming undone. In the middle of the night, when I'm in this dream, it's like a million little stars spelling out your name.
Tandaan mo na lang ang sasabihin ko sa'yo. Ang pag-ibig ko'y di magbabago.
Yung IG story ko po ay habang nag-IG story po siya. Bakit?
Ano ba yan? Nag-IG story din ako.
Ano ba yan, no?
Paalis na kami.
So, Japan. First time ko magpunta ng Japan. Nakapag-layover lang ako sa Japan dati nagpunta ako ng US.
We?
Ay, hindi mo alam?
Hindi. Nagpunta ka na
Hindi ako
US?
Oo, dati.
Saan?
Tagal na.
Ah, talaga?
Oo.
Eh, di may visa ka ng ano?
Matagal na wala. 1 year visa lang. Dati pa.
Ah, ano ginawa mo dyan?
Siyempre, charot lang yun. Hello po sa Cebu Pacific. Ang pinakamalayo na punta ko sa Cebu Pacific ay Dubai.
Oo nga.
Sabi sila ako.
Ewan ko sa'yo, puro ka ano.
Ang dali niya lang ako.
Thank you, Cebu Pacific.
Till I hear you say I do love you. Yes, I do love you. I'll be waiting till I hear you say I do. 'Cause I love you, love you. I'll be by your side till the day I die. I'll be waiting.
Nandyan ka na naman, pasulap-sulap sa'kin. Lagi-lagi na lang paligaw-ligaw.
Say I do.
Este,
Hi!
ang init sa Vietnam. Ulitin ko rin yung stories niya.
Pangit ko kasi
Hindi
kanina.
bakit yung unang stories. So, ito. Ulitin ko
Hindi
po.
ko alam.
Ayan, ulitin natin.
Uy!
Uy! Reenactment. Ginanto ko yun, di ba? Ayan, okay na ba? Nakapunta. Yes.
Yes, all ako.
Pinalo ka ng ano ah. Tinawag ka ng coffee shop ah. Wala handa, mabrain freeze ka.
Ha?
Mabrain freeze ka. Yung story, i-release ko din. Tapos nakaharap sa akin. Okay.
Okay.
Camping sa loob ng midnight train. Nalakas baka Harry Potter. Cheers.
Cheers! Sa bus naman kami natutulog.